Wagwan fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kim and this is Rock, and we are back with another excited video. And today we are out of the blue. Yes, you guys have requested out of the blue, and today we are here to show you a single family house, right?
Yes, so this would be one of the units that they have.
Yes.
On the grounds that they are going to construct. So we are about to go in, so you guys can see exactly what you asked for. So yeah.
Yes, so if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, click the bell icon, turn on the post notification, and if you're returning, you know, we love you and we appreciate you guys coming again. So remember guys, if you're into this for the real estate, we have a playlist on our channel, Mark Real Estate. You can find all the videos there. So we'll leave the link of the playlist on this video, and we'll recommend other videos as well in the time cards above. So don't forget, if you're new, just ensure you subscribe and share the videos, because you might not want it, but other persons out there that are interested in houses overseas and other part of Jamaica, so you can just share them and just let people know. The land is above sea level, as you can see. Rocky's telling me what to tell you guys.
God, I never know, so
right? So Rocky's telling me what to tell you guys, that the land is above sea level, right? And as you can see the sea from here, it's as I said, it's very windy, as you can hear. I'm gonna just spin it around so you can hear the breeze. It's very, very, very windy.
They get
right?
a lot of good air up here, so
even if although the sun is very hot, it seems that the sun is not shining because of the wind. Hey, good morning. How are you doing?
thank you.
How are you doing? What's your name?
KEISHA, Whittingham.
Oh, Whittingham.
Hi, KEISHA.
Okay,
Yes,
so
I was like, did I lose him?
okay, we didn't read the tag. Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so this is the small lawn you guys will be getting. As you can see, you have space your kids can run around. So you guys let us know in the comment area. So Rakisha is gonna do the run around. Rakisha, run around and show them the amount of run around they can run on this land. Okay. So yes. So on the outside, you have two AC units. You know that inside of the house is gonna be very cool. On that side, you have modern type window, right? And you got a little drive area for your car. Now, approaching the veranda area, you have the veranda is not big, it's small as you can see, but you can fix it up here like if you want. You can add a front railing. You can grill it if you want. This is actually the space. And modern type doors, right? Tiles, they are not so bad, they are okay. So you guys just tell us what you think about it down in the comment box so far. And you have that little light, nice. You can put a white bulb. No, it's a white bulb. It's really nice. You can put a bigger chandelier.
When you buy the house,
and for the ceiling, everything looks perfectly fine, right? I know you get a meter in there. Alright, so this is the living room.
So as you enter, this is what you see.
This is the living area. It's very big, right? Spacious, you have a lot of space. And you can use the same layout that they use if you want, or you can find your own layout. But it is very nice, so you can sit right here where I'm at, and you can watch television.
Watch me.
Right? Watch Rock. And going into the floor or the
The
ceiling.
tiles are all the same throughout
Yes.
the entire house.
Right, and very important, you have a lot of outlets. I'm a person of outlets because I want to put things all over the place, right?
Alright, but it is open concept, as you can see, very open. So we go straight into the kitchen from your living area, and you come all the way over here. So that is living. This is the kitchen. Dining. So I guess this is the island and the dining in one. So
You can add a bigger table there.
you can
Right.
just decorate how
And-
you feel.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. You can, if you want, you can actually put a dummy partition. If you guys know what I'm talking about. So if you guys have the idea, you can put a dummy partition right here, and then here to separate the living from the kitchen. You can start right there with the fridges. You have a dummy counter.
Where will the fridge go?
Now the fridge will be at the same place, right? You can do it both ways. You can do the partition like this. You can do it from the wall coming, or you can do it from this side going.
But it will stop somewhere.
Yes,
here.
but you can make it stop so you have a passage to walk go in, right?
Passage to walk. And
Yes.
the dummy would be here.
Yes, and the dummy comes straight across. So they separate everything. So you give them more space, like it's a bigger
So
place.
where would this would go in the middle?
I don't know,
Like
but
island?
it can work, but it's just an idea. You don't have to be, but it can be done, right? Now we have the sink, right? You know, it's
Granite,
like
what
granite, right? It's like granite, you know, popular. Everybody using them these days.
This is not the real one though.
Yeah,
I'm
but
telling you.
trust me. And then you have the sink, stainless steel. You know you go. You can scrub this and not happen to it.
Cupboards.
You have the cupboards. You have the cupboards. Cupboards are really good, and you know you can
I like the color.
insert everything. Excuse me. Let me show them the space. You can insert your stove in that little space. And
Extra
you have
cupboards
extra.
and drawers.
Right? And all that down below. Right? And you have lights, so and you have an X fan. So you have ceiling fan, you have another
And
AC unit as well. And the space is very, very big. So this is just a view of the entire kitchen and
I think it could be a little bit bigger to accommodate more space for the kitchen, but you can do your thing to allow it to work.
yes. And moving from the kitchen, we are going into the washing area because I know that we are Jamaicans, we don't want to wash outside. So this is the washing area. Right? You can wash right here, do all the washing, scrubbing. You have a washer and a dryer. I think
Of
so.
your choice. The thing
Yes.
is, you can set up your own washer and dryer over here.
Mhm.
So.
Yes. And basically that is it for the inside.
And they have the back door.
No, there we go.
So
That's-
say back door.
And that,
And
then
that is
that
where
is
you
the back
exit.
door, exit outside. Right? So this is the first bedroom.
Have two beds. if
Two
you wish.
beds.
This is not the master bedroom.
What?
This is not the master bedroom. Just the second room.
Mm-hmm.
They have a TV mounted. And a big mirror. It's not a very big room. If it is one person here, fine. If it is double beds, then this is how it would set up if you have two kids or yeah, how it goes.
All
And
right.
they also have a closet. Oops. So this is the size closet, and you have overhead storage.
Mm-hmm.
You have a ceiling fan.
Have a ceiling fan. And you also have AC units, as I showed you before, installed. And you have nice curtains.
Curtains don't come with the house. How they decorate it is just simple.
Nice curtain, people.
You're not trouble.
All right.
They
This,
have two windows to give you as much light in here as possible. Like the furniture is like,
you have a bedside lamp.
I like the furniture is everything.
All right. So, yes.
Alright, so this is the bathroom.
So now we are at our favorite part of any type of house. Close it. So so slide windows for the bathroom,
Slide
very
doors.
nice, very modern.
Side doors.
You have a sink. So rotate two sides in the middle and then down. So you have the toilet.
You want shelves, like medicine cabinet or whatever
Mhm.
you can put in. You can install them.
Yes. Small bathroom.
Small.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the master. The closet will be on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
So this is just storage. So this is just storage. It is in the passageway between the bathroom
Mm-hmm.
and the bedroom. So you can see bedroom. So this is just storage. Master.
So we are stepping into the master bedroom. Right, this is very big, bigger than the one before.
Much bigger than the one
And the
before,
master
as you can see.
hold on rack. I will change the light accordingly. So the master bedroom, guys, it comes with its own bathroom, and this is ideal for you guys. That means you can have your kids in one or your family member in the other. You have your own personal space where you don't have to share bathroom. And Rakisha is gonna do the same thing as well. So Rakisha, step into your bathroom, your future bathroom, and step into the shower.
So
About
this size
This
of
one
the
is-
bathroom, it feels as if it is the same size
Mhm.
as the bathroom that we just saw. It's
Yes.
the same size.
It's a little bit bigger.
Exactly.
No, it's bigger. It's
You
bigger.
think so?
Yeah, it's bigger. The space of the toilet is very bigger. I know that. Bigger by far.
Alright, it's the same design. They're not this. It's locked. It's
Okay.
locked. So it's the same design of shower. It's not very big, but it is doable. 12 we can all in here and shower together. If you guys are into that, we're into that.
Right? And as I said, I don't think you're gonna get these nice furniture.
No, I guess you can purchase them if they give you the suppliers. For example, I like this. I like these furnitures. I really do like them. I really
And
like these furnitures.
just like the last room, it does come with a ceiling fan,
Mhm.
and it also have a AC unit installed.
This is a lighter. as
Nice
well.
view. So if you're a YouTuber like us, you know you can have the light bouncing in on you, as you can see in here. And we don't have a light. We don't have a light on our camera right now,
Mhm.
and the lighting in there is perfect, right? As you can see from this corner of the house, you have this nicely angle, right? Yeah, you can actually put two bedside lamp, two bedside table, two tables, so you can have two lamp, and you know nice.
If you can even. This doesn't have to be so big. It can
Yes.
be small. It depends on
I
the taste
yeah
of
you
the
can.
floor.
I would definitely, I wouldn't put the, if I was like doing my house like this, I wouldn't put my bed like this. I would put my bed that way so I can have more, or that way, right?
It depends.
It all depends on it your liking. But it is nice. On the ground you have the same tile like
Same
outside.
time through the entire.
So this tile, and
I think this is a light. This is a light source as well. This is
Yes.
another light source. The light, so.
next one. Yes, so that's the light, you know. It kinda warm, or give place like a warm feeling,
Wait, when you climb up on the bed, we're not-
right? And you have nice TV you can
you
put
can
on the wall.
mount your own TV.
Yes.
They're just giving you
A basic
how
idea.
you can set up your place if you wish. This is everybody who do house viewing before you will, they just give you an idea. So this doesn't have to be yours because you're getting place empty.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll also have another entrance here, so that you won't have to travel all the way up here.
Oh, we saw.
Yes, so they're building some of the houses here. So the lot size is about 47 acres.
47 acres.
Yes.
Okay.
This would be the pool, the commissary, and the play area.
Okay.
This would be the jogging trail and the basketball court. All these units, most of them here are split units, some 2 bedrooms here. So we're offering 2 bedrooms, 3 bedroom upstairs and downstairs, and 4 bedrooms. Yeah.
Okay, so the 2 bedrooms go for what?
2 bedrooms are 17 million.
17. That's this that we are in right now.
Yes. So this is the model unit for the 2 bedroom.
2 bedroom, right?
And it's about 37 square feet.
Okay.
We have the 3 bedroom split, which is 1,300 square feet, and that's going for 20 million. We have the 4 bedroom split unit that is 22 million, and that's 1,600 square feet. Are any other questions? And all of these units will have a sea view.
Sea view,
Yes.
so yeah, as you can see from how everything
Yes,
is set up.
Christian, the starting price.
17 million.
So this one
The
is
deposit.
this one
This
is
is at
the
17
17 mil.
Yes.
And the deposit is always 10% off.
10% deposit, and we work with any reputable mortgage broker. And we also recommend mortgage brokers for you. So if you don't know anybody here, we can find them for you, good reputable people, and we'll link you, and then we start the process.
Okay.
Alright, we have one.
So yes guys, so this is gonna be our realtor, KEISHA.
Hi.
Right? And we're gonna recommend her to you guys. We're gonna leave her business card in the description so you can call her, and remember to tell her that we sent you, right?
Definitely.
Yes.
This lovely couple
And
sent us.
yes, and you can look forward for us to doing more business with her. So you will see her nice, beautiful face on this camera more often.
See the smile?
Yes. This is it for the inside.
If you are lucky to get in before all the corner lots are
Mm-hmm.
finished, then you may get a bit.
Alright, so just a note. So this is a corner lot, so it might look bigger. So my lovely realtor just told us that. So we don't want you guys to sacrifice, to kill us and say, boy, we say the land is big. Right? So
So our normal size is 3,000 square feet.
mm-hmm.
Some are a little bigger and some are small.
Okay. And this is the backyard. As I said before, your kids can definitely run around, right, around the house. And the house is
You can plant some food.
yeah.
Yes,
This is I want you guys to tell us what this tree is. Not even Rakisha don't know this tree.
I don't know see that.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you off here. But Rak don't know this tree, and my realtor don't know. But I want you guys to leave it in the comment. What is this tree? Alright?
I want to know if I was supposed to extend the house, what restrictions do I have?
You can only add to the back. Nothing upstairs, nothing to the side.
Okay,
Alright,
so
no side, no up, only extend to the back.
guys, you're not allowed to go up because you don't want to unfair others, right? Maybe you as the first person would like to go up, but you can't because everybody would want to go up as well. So.
If you want a split level house, you can actually purchase a 3 bedroom or the 4 bedroom.
Okay, so if you want a split level house, guys, you can actually purchase a bigger unit, which will be $20 million and up,
Or 22.
or 22, right? And it's how many bedrooms again?
3 bedrooms for the 20 million and the 4 bedroom 22.
Okay,
Yeah.
so guys, and it's as I said, it's a very very good location, very very close in Discovery, 11 minutes drive from the town.
Yes, and we're actually going to have a entrance closer down,
Mhm.
so it will cut out
We
some
saw
of
it
the
when
time.
we were coming up and we were
Yes,
wondering.
Okay.
What if I over there, sir?
And also it's close to Puerto Rico.
Yes.
So you have that beach. If you're
Mhm.
planning for investment, you have the beach there. We have a library in Discovery Bay. It's close to Moby, close
Mhm.
to Orcharius, Kingston. Very central.
Yes,
location.
and it's on the highway, so it's easy to get access
Yeah,
around.
yeah.
Yes, very very good, and we appreciate your effort
Thank
and
you.
everything.
I'm so proud of you guys.
Yes.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
You can we're gonna WhatsApp you and
Yeah,
send
man.
the channel to you.
ends our tour of the Out of the Blue house that they are offering, houses that they are offering. Guys, you can comment down below what you think of the property. It is up to you if you decide that you want to come and purchase a property.
Definitely.
The link for our realtor KEISHA is very, very nice. You will find it in the description as well as in the pinned comments down below. So you will not have to go and dig around to search for that information. I thank you guys so much for watching. For all the new persons here on the channel, we see you, we acknowledge you, and we love you. Continue to be with us. And for the persons who have always been with us, we love you so, so, so much. And until next time, we will see you
In
in our next video. Bye.
Take care. We love you.